Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change phone number on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So open your WhatsApp app and tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings and tap on account, tap on change number, tap on next and enter here your old phone number and enter here your new phone number and tap on next. You can turn on notify contacts and then tap on done, and here you will get a verification code to your new phone number. All you have to do is just enter the verification code here and give here your WhatsApp account name and tap on next. So that's how we can change phone number on WhatsApp. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.